Welcome to Scape Leicester, your new home in the heart of Melbourne, where we've taken student living to a whole new level. At Scape Leicester, everything is crafted with our students in mind. From private and spacious signature studios to ultra studios, one-bedroom suites or two-bedroom apartments, find your perfect space across the 13 levels of innovation. This is a place to connect, relax, and really thrive. Take in the view from the rooftop terrace, battle it out in the gaming lounge, or find your zen in the quiet spaces and study areas. Nestled in Carlton, just north of Melbourne's bustling city centre, you'll be right in the mix, close to top universities and the cultural buzz of Little Italy along Lygon Street. Living here at Scape Leicester means enjoying a lifestyle where everything is taken care of, with 24/7 security, comprehensive support, enriching social events, and mentorship programs. Every aspect of student life is designed to be fulfilling and hassle-free. Discover the pinnacle of student living. It's not just about studying, it's about having your best student life.